Hi guys, today I will explain how to do a zoom transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open that project in which you want to add this transition. The next thing is import your video on which you want to add that. Here, you can see I already do all these things. Now let me zoom in a bit so you can see everything clearly. So, I have done all editing, and I want to add a zoom transition between these. So for this, you don't have to do anything. Simply take a look on the left top, you can see the option of effects, click on it, and if you cannot find the option here, then click on this window. And here you can find the option effects. Enable this from here. Once you've done all here, you can see a few options presets. And on the last, you can see the option of video transition expanded this. And on the last, you can find the zoom transition. Tap on it, and here is the desired transition. Tap and hold, and paste it where you want to apply. Like I want to apply here. Now the transition has been applied. Now let me play the video so you can see everything clearly. You can see that transition has been applied and working perfectly. Now if you want to make it a bit slower, then take your mouse cursor, and once to sign will be like this. Tap and arrange the duration like me. You can see the duration has been expanded. Now let me play again so you can see everything clearly. And you can see now transition has been applied and slower than before. And it was the way by which you can do a zoom transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.